Hello everyone, this is Pampered You. Today I'm repairing a keyboard. This is the OmniKey Ultra, and it's possible it's the same one I repaired 10 years ago on my channel. I'm not sure because I have a few of these, but it's the OmniKey Ultra with little dip switches in there. The Ultra has the SF keys and F keys. But I've heavily used this keyboard for 10 years, at least 10 years. And I have replaced keys once in a while when it needed it. But right now it seemed to have a failure of several things at once, several keys at once, over time. Either they chatter when the switches close, they jump a little, causing it to hit to load several letters at a time on the screen. Hit E and you get E. So that's called chatter, and I have a problem with a few of the keys. Or the keys are completely dead, so nothing happens. I think it's the W and D are completely dead. E has chatter and N has chatter. I just happened to find the spare keys. I was planning to just take this apart and get the old ones out first and look for the spares later, but I sat down and these were in my box right below me. Got all the little screws. Screws up here. Looks like last time I worked on it was February 2016. It says Pampered You was here. Alright, so the keys that need to be changed. Where did I put that? My paperwork disappeared again. So E, W, D, and N. Those 4 screws come out. It says I cleaned caps. I washed the keycaps, I guess. That was 8/2016. So the first thing I'm going to do is mark which keys I'm taking out. Got my pen. So E, letter E, letter E, letter E, letter E, W, D, N, E, W, D, N. I'm going to be using a hot air tool and a suck 'em up tool. Like these here, hot air tool, suck 'em up tool. Or maybe I'll use this actually. This stuff works a lot better. D, E, and N. flux, empty chemical flux. I'll try it both ways. Try the harder way first because I have to wait for the iron to warm up. There it goes. Okay. Man, it works pretty good. No way. It works really well. Guess I don't need to use the solder blade this time. That was W, now this one. This one's not coming off as easy as the others. So after removing the solder, the keys should just fall out, and mine did. Remove the keycaps and destroy all the bad keys before opening up the bag of good ones. Mess up the pins like that or something, that way I don't accidentally solder them back in. Alright, I soldered in the new keys and touched up a few others that looked kind of bad. Let's put it back together and test it.